National Electrical Code, or NEC, Section 408.1 outlines the scope of Article 408, which covers the installation and use of panel boards, switchboards, and distribution boards. This article addresses the conductors within or attached to these electrical components. Now, delving into Section 314.29, we examine the requirements for enclosures intended for use as junction boxes. According to 314.29, junction boxes must be equipped with either threaded hubs or flanged hubs. These flanged hubs must have an integral means for securing a cover to the enclosure. This requirement ensures that all junction boxes are properly enclosed and that conductors within are protected from environmental factors and accidental contact. Now let's address whether an electrical panel can be used as a junction box. Based on the information provided, there is no specific allowance within the NEC that permits the use of an electrical panel as a junction box. The NEC distinguishes between panel boards, which are designed for overcurrent protection and switching, and junction boxes, which are designed for splicing and routing conductors. While both components serve essential roles in electrical systems, their intended functions and construction differ significantly. When planning an electrical installation, it's crucial to adhere to the NEC guidelines and use approved components for their intended purposes. If junction boxes are needed, they should be installed separately from panel boards and in compliance with NEC 314. If additional space is required for conductor routing or splicing within a panel board enclosure, the NEC permits certain wiring practices, such as the use of wiring troughs or auxiliary gutters, provided they are properly sized and installed. These wiring methods can facilitate conductor management within the enclosure without compromising the integrity of the panel board's overcurrent protection functions. It is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrical inspector or engineer to ensure that your electrical installations comply with the NEC and local codes. Proper adherence to these codes helps ensure the safety and reliability of electrical systems.